Hot water heaters down there, furnaces down there. It's all going to be junk.
Right.
But it went in the window over here on the side. See that window well right there?
Uh-huh.
That's where it went in.
I see.
It was
oh,
8
I
inches
see.
at least up on the window, because you can walk up there and see where it pushed the window in.
All right. They're definitely talking about it now.